Hello everyone, my name is Ha, and I'm a lecturer at Huế University of Foreign Languages in Vietnam. And currently, as you already know, I'm an MA student at the University of Warwick. I have been teaching English for more than 4 years. Well, some personal information about myself. I was born in 19th of May, and my zodiac sign is Taurus. I'm a reliable, patient, practical, devoted, responsible, and a stable person. But I'm also a very stubborn girl. Yeah, it seems that I put a lot of positive descriptions about myself, but trust me, please, those all reflect my personality. I used to be a very extroverted person, but then I realized that the older I get, the more introverted I tend to be, or maybe living in the UK makes me to be more introverted. I love eating, especially Vietnamese foods. When it comes to foods, I have my favorite quote. There is no sincere love than the love of food. 1 second for advertising. If you have a chance to travel to Vietnam, please try as much Vietnamese food as you can. It's a paradise for delicious cuisines. Apart from eating, I also like writing. I have my own blog where I often share all of my ups and downs in my life with my family and close friends, even though I know that they rarely read it. For me, writing is a way of healing, but of course, writing assignment is totally different. I feel blessed and blissful when I have chance to study at Warwick as a Hornby scholar. The first day I entered the room after an 18-hour flight and transit, I smiled as I looked out the window and silently read the shop's name, Meet Your Miracle. Whether God arranges it intentionally or unintentionally, I have already felt that studying in Warwick will bring miracle to my life.